My cat's last words, my cat's last words were low and slow, and barely hardly heard. For though he was in pain, he was stoic and brave. Our big furry cat Joe Bear was nearing his untimely end. Oh, he no longer will walk the high bar or tunnel beneath our quilts to nip my toes, as I playfully rolled him about with my bare feet. Nor will he ever again play hide and seek among the big leaves in the great white pot where the big ficus plant grows. Oh, now he knows he is nearing his end, and know our hearts break for him. He just wants to go off to a private hiding place in the wild and let himself go, for that is the nature of his kind when they come to this time. Oh, we fear too much for him to let him go out into the wild where he wants to go. We will not open the door for him, so he lies with his nose to the breeze coming through the crack at the bottom of the front door. We put down a blanket and lie there beside him and weep our tears as we listen to his soft sounds of pain. Oh, he is so ill. We slip him a palliative pill as often as the doctor will permit. Well, we know what our dear cat Joe Bear's last words were, or so we imagine they were. Please let me go. Oh, you know how I feel. I must go away and hide in a safe and private place to let myself come to my end. But we could not bring ourselves to open the door for him, and so the next day we took him away to the doctor who let our dear Joe Bear down in peace and without further pain. We kissed Joe Bear's head, oh so gently, as he came to his last moments and to his end. We wept our tears as we left him to be interred there, and we wept all the more that we would never see him again.